Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to contact Crypto.com customer support. If you find this video helpful, please drop a like and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, there's a few ways to do this, but I found the easiest and fastest way Crypto.com gets back to users is to actually go to their website. So I'm going to open up my web browser. I'm going to head on over to Crypto.com. Now from here, I'm going to scroll down. So keep scrolling till you find where it says have more questions, contact us. So I'll be near the kind of the bottom of the page here. So go ahead and click on contact us. That's going to redirect us to chat.crypto.com. Let's give that a few moments to load. All right, and then it will say, hi, how can we help? Send us a message. We typically reply in under 10 minutes. So like I said, this is one of the faster ways to do this. So click on send us a message. Now it's going to load up the chat box. And then hi, please select your preferred language. So depending what language you speak, choose it. So I'm English, obviously. So English. Please select the topic you need. So from here, just choose what your issue is or what's most related to it. If it's not here, just click on something else and then just continue through the prompts and you will speak to a human about whatever issue you need help with.